In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install WPS Office AI 25 on Windows 10. We'll walk through the entire process from getting the installer to launching the app for the first time, so you can start working right away. First, open your preferred web browser on your Windows 10 PC and go to the official WPS Office website. This ensures you're downloading a safe, up-to-date installer directly from the source. On the homepage, look for the free download button and click it. The site typically detects Windows automatically and begins downloading the installer file. Give the download a moment to complete. You can watch its progress in your browser's downloads area, or check your downloads folder if you don't see it at the bottom of the window. When the file finishes downloading, open the WPS Office installer. If Windows shows a security prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, that's the standard user account control message. Click Yes to continue. The setup window will appear. Take a moment to review the license terms so you know what you're agreeing to, then click Install Now. At this point, the installer will fetch any needed components and copy files to your PC. Depending on your internet speed and system performance, this might take a few minutes. It's a good idea to keep your laptop plugged in and avoid heavy tasks while the installer runs. Once the installation is complete, click Start Now to launch WPS Office. On first launch, you'll see an option to sign in. If you already have a WPS account, signing in can unlock Cloud Sync and additional features. If you prefer to explore the app first, choose Skip, and you can sign in later from within the program. That's it. You've successfully installed WPS Office AI 2025 on Windows 10. You should now see shortcuts in your Start menu and possibly on the desktop. If you don't, simply search for WPS Office from the Start menu and pin it for quick access. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If the installer doesn't open, right-click the file and choose Run as Administrator. If your browser warns about the download, make sure you're on the official site and allow the file. And if installation seems stuck, check your internet connection and confirm you have enough free disk space. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new WPS Office setup.